Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make queso birrias, by far the simplest and easiest way. This took almost no effort at all, and believe me when I say this. So my friends at Ja-Listo, they sent me a jar of their birria salsa, and check it out. They sent me 4 of these guys, so I wanted to say thank you real quick. But yeah, so go ahead, turn on your crock pot on low, and what you want to do with this, like I said, it's very simple. Just open it up, you pour in the salsa, you fill it up with water, and then you pour it again. Then you get your beef chuck. I got 2 pieces of beef chuck here. And what you want to do is go ahead and slice your beef chuck in cubes. That's what I like to do because it just cooks quicker and you don't need to have them in big chunks. And it fits in the crock pot a lot easier. So you can just place them in there. And I just threw them in there however, just as long as you fill it up. And this is super easy, man. I was kind of skeptical at first. I didn't know if it was going to be good or not. But yeah, just mix in the salsa before you go ahead and leave it, because once you actually mix it all in, you're going to leave it for 7 hours. This is 7 hours later, guys. Yeah, the birria is done. I literally set it at 8 at night, and I woke up like at 3 in the morning, and this thing is done. It's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and check the tenderness here. Like I said, I was very skeptical to see if, like, you know, birria salsa out of a jar was going to be any good, because I'm so used to making it myself, the salsa. So this meat was super tender. Just look at how easily this thing falls apart, man. So birria is done. I went ahead and covered it because I'm going to come back to this later at dinner time and make my queso birrias. But for right now, I want to give this thing a flavor test. Let's see if this thing's any good. And I will be honest, man, I was very surprised. It was delicious. I even gave my dog some. I know you're thinking she's cute because she is. That's my Roxy. So now it's dinner time. Go ahead and chop up this meat. I'm going to show you guys how to prepare these queso birrias if you've never made them before. So you chop up the meat, you get your tortilla, you put it in the consomme, and then you just drop it in your pan. It's really that easy. So go ahead and flip it once and then put your cheese and then start putting your meat. This is how you assemble it, guys. There's really nothing much to it. All right, and then go ahead and flip it. Flip all 3 of them and let this thing start frying. You want a crispy edge on both sides. So once one side is crispy, you go ahead and flip the other side. And you want to make sure it has that crunch, because I like anything with tacos crunchy. So these things are pretty much done now. Now I'm going to get my cebolla and my cilantro, and I'm going to start putting this in each taco, because this is what it takes. And it's basically like having birria but in a taco. That's what they're called, queso birrias. Yes. All right, so this is it. Get your consomme and serve yourself a large amount in a dunking bowl. Yeah, I had this little dunk bowl, which is pretty cool. So get some limes. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. Throw some lime in the consomme and in the taco. I like lime. So look at how delicious this queso birria looks. And man, at this point my mouth was salivating. Now we're gonna be trying our queso birrias. Bring this baby up here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that juice, bro. Oh my god. This is the best queso birria I've ever had. So damn good. You don't even know how good this is. Thank you, Ja-Listo, for sending this. This thing turned out exquisite. The best part, it was super easy to make. Very good. I gotta go.